gang, welcome back to the channel. We do appreciate you coming along. Today we're back at Brook Forest Dreamfinders community here in SilverLeaf. Very cool. It's going to have its own private amenities, but we're at the model center today and we're checking out the Vilano. I just filmed the Wellington. That's a huge family home, but the Vilano is pretty cool. I've filmed that in other communities, so I just thought I'd take a look and see what they're doing here today. And let's go take a peek. All right, gang, before we get into the Vilano, right across the street from the model center is where the private amenity is going to be here in Brook Forest. So it's going to be pretty cool. I was just talking to the site agent. They say it's going to be done this year, sometime 2025. So we're looking forward to seeing that completed and doing some video work for you guys. All right, guys, the Vilano, pretty cool home. You're already seeing some really cool architectural details, the way the elevation, on this particular elevation where the area juts out right there with the board and batten and the hardy board. Let's go take a peek at. Of course, that would be the garage area there. That's their sales office. And coming over here, the Vilano normally has a single door. This has been optioned up with the double doors and with glass in them, so that's really cool looking. All right. Hope you guys are doing great today. Wow. And I'm going to show you something from the top of the stairs that I always thought was pretty cool about the Vilano. The Vilano is 2,500 square foot, but it's a 4 to 5 bedroom home with 3 bathrooms. So let's take a left here. Again, this is their sales office, and that would be entrance to the garage area. So if we take a left coming off of here, we have our first bedroom we come across. Pretty good size, kind of medium sized, I guess I might say. Here we go. Nice, I love that chair. Got bypass doors, and this is a queen bed sitting in here, so that's pretty good size. Let me back up a little bit so you guys can see that better. Let me get to this side of the room. There we go. Pretty cool. Coming out, we got a full bath. And this has been optioned up, okay? This is normally a tub and shower combination, I believe. It is, okay? So they've optioned that up. Again, going to the design center, when you build from scratch, you can do all that cool stuff. Got some understairs storage. Let's see how far back that goes. That's pretty nice. That's a little extra storage. Nothing wrong with that. There we go. Look at this. Now, see, just like the Wellington and some, like I mentioned over there, the Camden, some of the Avalons, they do a lot of that. They're like the rotunda windows, I call them, you know. So it's pretty cool. You got tons of light. The other one, the Wellington, had a round table in because it's a little tighter. But this one, you can put a nice oblong rectangular table. I always thought that was so full of personality, right? Look at this, beautiful. And they got the gray base cabinets with the blue island. I always tell folks, and they upgrade that. That's an upgrade, that door on the pantry over there. I always tell folks, don't be afraid of color. Add color to your house, right? It adds personality. It makes it yours. You don't always have to follow the trend. And this is upgraded with the gourmet kitchen because that'd be a slide-in stove right there. Okay, and this would all just be countertops to my left. Let's see what the pantry looks like. Pretty standard. Nothing super exciting. I do like the door. It says pantry, if you can see that, kind of in there. All right, penny tile on the backsplash. So pretty dang nice for kind of a medium to large size square footage, 2,500. Wood windowsills, very nice. Let's go upstairs. I'm going to show you kind of what I mean by it's very elegant when you first get up to the top of the stairs. You go way up. If you turn around, this right here, look at that, huh? That's pretty elegant. If you take that can light out and have a nice pendant light hanging right there, that would be pretty sweet, especially if you can see it from those top windows at night. That'd be kind of cool. So anyway, let's finish our tour. Here's our loft area, our tray ceiling. Off to our right is going to be our master. And another cool feature about the Vilano is that right there. Nice balcony. Again, you put this on the right lot. Let me see if I got to do this here. Put this on a nice water lot or preserve, either one, but you put it on a beautiful lot. Oh my gosh, look at this, huh? Pretty amazing. All right, very nice. Another place the Vilano can shine. Nice knee space right there. Pretty amazing. It's kind of crazy, using what looks like floor tile on the shower walls, and it just gives it definitely a different, like a barn look in there when they did that. Now you notice there's a pan. Again, you've heard me say this in other videos. That's per code now. You can't use tile on the floors, on second floors anymore. You have to have a pan. That's per code now, okay? Good size walk-in closet for sure. Toilet space over to my right over there, okay? Nice. Nice tray ceiling they put in. Let's walk down the other side here. Air handler closet. Got a little linen closet here for you guys. Nice decent sized bedroom, kind of medium sized, I guess, you know. That's a double. So a nice little family home, not huge. Not like the Wellington, I mean huge, but 2,500 square feet is no slouch either. That's a queen size right there. This bedroom's a lot bigger. Definitely a cool little home. Like I said, I've done these in other communities before, and we've built some for some clients before too as well. Okay, this one's got this standard bathtub surround in it, and it's nice when builders do some of that and show you some of the upgrades that you can do. So it's nice to see that, you know, not every home is completely tuned up, because you really want to be able to see kind of what would the standard look like, right? And in some areas, it's not. You don't really need to really tune up a house. Nice little wonder that, you know, they put that nice tile on the floor. That's pretty cool looking. Nice, put some extra cabinetry in there. Love the blue. All right, gang, that's the Vilano at Brook Forest by Dreamfinders. We do appreciate you guys coming along today. Give us a shout out if we can get you any more information, help you out along the way. We'd love to learn a little bit about what you're trying to accomplish and also let you learn a little bit about us, okay? Anyway, I want you to have a great day. Thanks.